Tammy was packing her toys in a box that had a volume of 144 cubic centimeters. Which of these could be Tammy's box? So it had a volume of 144. So we got to think about volume. Volume equals length times width times height. We need all three of those dimensions because we're trying to figure out how many cubes will fit inside that. So just take it one answer choice at a time. Answer choice A has a length of, looks like 5, width of 3, and height of 8. Remember, it doesn't matter. If you want to call the 3 the length, that's fine. I just usually make the longer side be the length, but it really does not matter because in multiplication, order doesn't matter. So we solve this in PEMDAS order. That means left to right since multiply is the same step. 5 times 3 is 15 times 8. 15 times 8. Going over to the side, 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. I got an answer of 120 for A. We needed 144. So let's try answer choice B. This one's in words. A box with a length of 2, okay, length of 2, times a width of 4, times a height of 7. 2 times 4 is 8, times 7 equals 56, not 144. C. Again in words, a box with a length of 4, a width of 4, and a height of 9. Well, 4 times 4 is 16 times 9. Let's see, 16 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. Hey, I got 144. A looks pretty good. Or C looks pretty good. Let's try D just to check. Answer choice D looks like has a length of 14, a width of 10, and a height of 4. So 14 times 10, multiplying times 10 is easy. You just add a 0. So 140 times 4. Oh, I don't think I need to work this to see that's not going to equal 144, but we'll go ahead and do it anyway. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And so, as expected, I got something way bigger than 144, 560, which gets rid of answer choice D. Correct answer is C.